Why I stopped competing and started creating, even after 70 years of age. In a world that glorifies competition, I finally stopped chasing trends and started creating from experience. This is how peace and profit finally found me after 70 years old. Ever notice how everyone online seems to be racing, posting faster, shouting louder, and selling harder? Oh my gosh. I tried that once. It burned me out and left me wondering if I was too old to keep up. Hi, for those that don't know me, I'm Holly, mom and great grandmother. I help people build calm, human income systems that run without burnout. But before that, I was just trying to prove I still mattered in a noisy digital world. Then I realized something very powerful. You don't have to outrun others. You just have to cut out, serve only yourself. Consistency beats competition. Authentic stories cut through noise faster than any ad will ever do. So I began sharing what I actually lived through: losing savings, restarting after 70 years old, helping my husband, rescuing pets, and finding calm through simple systems. Want to keep this momentum going? Watch Beat Fear of Missing Out After 50. Start small, win quietly. Watch that next. It's the calm roadmap for those who want to create without chaos. That's when people started listening. Not because I was the loudest, but because I was real. Do you ever feel like you're competing just to stay visible online or in life, period? Question that. If that's you, pause today. Your story is enough. You don't need permission or perfection, just a presence. If this video gave you peace or perspective, subscribe and share it with someone else who's been hustling for approval instead of impact. Comparison kills joy. Creation restores it.